24 hours upon receipt of the copy of the order to insert the name of applicants into the register of chiefs. And we all if you haven't done it, of course, the consulted me, I invited our counsel, and we all agreed that if you fail to do it, then you will face contempt charges. So we wish to inform all members that this is what we did yesterday. We did it because God really compelled us to do so. Okay. So the order was to enter the name in the National Register of Chiefs within 24 hours.
Abuja Mobi akwa ba the Baba Grace TV so this is a chedi amponya top anto Mobi aho ye yin na nim sensem ba kwa e wo court e Sampa sensem e bra na Samba jafla ya na ye Sampa man e de Sammorduah akoti court say Sammorduah anye Sampa man ne nso wo parody ne won so wahene am watena dwam kra ye yie se wo ye na kofi no Sampa man akwa kra yie in Sammorduah capacity so ye man e de why ne mo bebre akotina aban dwumadie bebre na mu so ye Sampa man 6 months na then na jafla ye say otanse ye die nye nti oja sema kodan court say court enhwe na asotwe bia contempt bia esefata bia ye fa ho court mo Sammorduah na asotwe bia obia Ghana mra ina munye fama no e ma na Samba jafla nsem kodan court mu ba ko say o se court say anka betimi ko a ye ma Sammorduah ye fa no ko to afiase e ko de afiase ba osuamu ade abo masubie aba Sampa ene Sampa adehye o mahene e court ye musa inu anu be court ni royal family so mo court dey na court ka ye fa mu chimu enso mo nua bokọ dey
oda ma bia bokọ
e dey yankopanse e bia na ene dey kan ye obi e be hwe dan what the church for
oda ma obrashem to let Sammorduah Sampa mahene no fa share nimpon ni me oda roma
okay let's say we Sampa this grant
oda ma obrashem
okay ene mo court kuma say high court Sammorduah ban
pacho oda ma wa ma
okay mo court dey na pm from about dey na court ka
oda ma before I be court I think it's important say Asanteman, Asantehene, or my Asantehene nation. Era etunanam, eko Poland, eko Canada, ebedue, and then nesebi Asanteman council abeshia. Enti ne ekusi or Canada, Poland no. It's important we tell the people of this country say, we name no, era call in the name of Ghana. She never Ghana bedie. It's your bisha me say ne eko Sampa. The last time I call court, somebody say and the 29th. Say Emra court. Say ne eko court. The court ne can say they na Sammorduah for petition the Chief Justice.
Okay.
So on your safe or Hanum.
Okay.
And so it is important say the CJ. It's all my communicate, not my judging directive. Say and I say.
Okay.
But the court no. Say directive no ama.
Okay.
So over here CJ so Canada so America. May well I don't know so Hanum.
Okay.
But of course that is why we are calling the Chief Justice. All right, that he's a son of God so I know if you have for. And at the first of your half, no, and in church, Shebi, Uncle because of one sending him. There can share, she made me a good new, she me a dagoma new, she me a man pushing you. The Chief Justice must ensure that the rule of law at all times is working. It is your mother petition. Now, if it's a seminal, Shebi, so be ye fee Kumasi High Court. Now they are called before. Just give them the directive. Don't manipulate us. Now, any of them, no, not say who delayed. You're the people of the CI-47. All right, the CI-47 that issues before the court should not be delayed. And the Chief Justice is a learned person and who must understand these principles. It is heavy. Say one petition, you don't live there and go out there to watch a World Cup. You don't do that. Are you serving our
response?
Exactly. Exactly. And you are calling the Chief Justice to sit up. I show respect. Chief Justice Bafuboni. I show respect. I love the Chief Justice because probably new fast here in Caribbean in our class 3.
Oh, okay.
All right, new fashion Nimpompe. I was in the same class with class 3 at Kwadaso.
Oh, okay.
And so I'm not here to malign the CJ, but I'm here to tell the Chief Justice that only no cre, no making sure say the petition no on me can say yem fan kwa infa. Say no Kumasi. Emfanko tamale. She emfanko kalio. Ekodia, yebehu ne ne oka no kre. Bebi adu no, Sammorduah has been cited for contempt. And the CJ must sit up and make sure he do the right thing. He should not be at the beck and call of the politicians. He should not be at the beck and call of the politicians. I can't face now for retirement. And so why don't you want to do the right thing? I'm not saying so the CJ have any intention, but I'm saying the CJ must sit up and do what is right. I say so respect.
Wow. See, and then more coin is a court was what the 21 say. And I'm saying CJ young for football my internet.
What you actually said on the 27th of next month.
Okay.
Now the 27th of next month.
Okay.
And we hope and pray. By the next 27th of next month in there, we are not World Cup no. About we na CJ aba na fi o that directive. Say na be ya e betimi save mu. Then we go back to the court and make sure that there's that pronouncement. Because on pro is that contempt about Sammorduah no. Onye Sampa Hene. Baba Hanum ya be kan asem no. Baba arbitration and the CJ knows once you come for arbitration is banning on you. Once it's banning on you, now content the society we cannot allow these technicalities by the political elite and by the judiciary to think that they are doing what is right. They are not. They should serve our interest. They should do what is right.
Aside this Sammorduah na Muhammad court lawyers
Nobody appeared there. There was nobody, and that is so painful. And say be here better a fool. Now we travel away from Accra. Now they will come and give an excuse. But of course, we believe in the sanctity of the judiciary. We believe at all time in the respect of the judiciary, and we are going to respect the judiciary. But we expect them to do what is right. And what we are calling on them is the fact that say, and I'm running here, they should not drag their feet. They should make sure that the right thing is done. And we are not worried. So on the 27th, where we know very well, say, we are on the side of grace, we are on the side of truth, and we are on the side of the law. And by the grace of the Lord, mighty God, at the end of the day, we will be victorious. The Asantehene nation is going to be victorious. That is our conviction, and that's what I believe.
Wow. Okay. Ati yenhwe nyame adoma 27th. Ebre no bi wo mbe se bosum ntem ne ene beba. But ade sa no. You come the power Sampa. Ade sa. Ya bo amanfo.
Wadama wan se yekọ to aba. Ye to aba no MPP, NDC, CPP and yekọ to aba. Ye to aba ni we msi o ma to ama NDC. O ma se era President Mahama ni monyam. We expect the president to do what is right. The president cannot say che ne yekọ so okroma no nim. Say bibi na si o damango and na bibi na si o bola. The president may have an interest in it. And the people who are living in Damango, people are living in Bole, are the same people who are living in Sampa. And that is why President must show leadership and make sure the right thing is done. By showing leadership, President must fire the regional minister. 2, the President must regional minister also fire no. And 2, the Minister of Interior, Muntaka, also fire no. What I say? The reason why he has to fire Muntaka is Muntaka on the Reverend Reverend Kofi Asante, Israel FM, I respect him. On his show, Anna Jataba etiso, Anna Jataba ekaseno. Reverend Asante ka chen say, Muntaka eka chen say of national security. Tell us no, a very weighty. Say national security. Eka say my investigation. And yet Akwabwa and Sammorduah lawyer. And so clearly, say Muntaka to make us same way. Eka che a friend Ediana ba. Say netia. Say be unka no onya no kwafo.
A
coward. Muntaka is fake. Of course, he knows. Oh no, there is he's not fake. Why can you tell friends the Reverend Ediana Kofi Asante say the investigation and national security are conducting Omoji Ghana for Sika resources to come to a conclusion say and now Kabwa and Sammorduah lawyer and by that briefing no that briefing in my area Mahama. It's in my area Mahama no or Jansu make a decision. Exactly, and that's why he has to be fired. And once he has to be fired, so when I say it's fake. Am I lying? No. I'm saying by this analysis. Exactly. And so once one, no. So and
they were not truthful with that instance.
Is it so truthful and fake? What is the meaning?
What
are man? And it's so clearly. And it's your fire new year. No fire. I friend say Ahmed Ibrahim, Chief Minister. When you are more president, you know. On kind of correct. The money as if him say. A kuna honorable no fish no. A banana ko. Omakunya no anum. Or fake. The original the Chief Minister. What do I say? So Res+Asanteman, now Asanteman can say, I didn't know much search. Also, you have more votes in.
But there's no evidence, Chief Minister.
I am saying so fake. Until the Chief Minister should take me on.
Oh, really?
I'm the evidence. I'm saying so. I'm the evidence. I'm saying so. I'm kind of correct.
On record, who said chief?
And of course, it's not everything that you can know. And I'm saying the chief chancy minister is part of it.
Wow.
You are the end of the day, and the political interest. Shebi Niego. Now, of course, now Shebi Ube minister. Now be man penny. Now Shebi Timamufo Ewu. Now Timamufo come di Made na benya. Shebi leadership is about serving the interest of the people. We are Shebi we are okandinia. You are never going to see God, and you're never going to see Jesus Christ, and you're never going to see Muhammad. Okay. But what you have to do to be Muhammad, and what you have to be Jesus Christ, so we do no crime timamufono. We assume timamufono. We bring one share. We no can no cry. Near can say the chief chancy minister. Only Sampa for Omudi no crana. The interior minister only a dino crana. The regional minister only a dino crana. The DC only a dino crana. Ghana for si can edit Chiamoka, and I say na Ghana mraka. Mo money near Juma, Muslim money near Juma. So what are you telling us? That's our position, and we believe that we are not going to allow them to misbehave, whether they like it or not. To let someone that flat, next time for my hand, we come back to the court on 29th. Yeah, but we are
29th or 27th?
27th of next month. Okay. Yeah, but the Tibiano, we know that Asante Nation will be declared victorious. But it's important. Say, oh yeah, I'm on your near. It's almost a your time will come.
Okay. Finally, you say Anajafla, and that's what the court court was say obon pa say court emphasize Sammorduah 12 years a prison term. Now enye football sense neoma Sammorduah prison as the poster am I see Sampa na hadwen. Do you agree with Anajafla some of the court court?
Shebi Wadarma am say Sammorduah Ninim Crawford the Born Regional House of Chief petition in the court. Say to let Sammorduah Gazette was unlawful. And Shebi court ni bobo mu and court bad time Shebi no your bani munyam for or try asem no so e kan no munse mamu Kenya no amane ne amamre Ghana mra mu nyane che to let Sammorduah na Sampa man na Farouk no obi nti e chepe fe Sampa Farouk onyo man hene e di Shebi so onyo man hene adenti na be front ma na ne namonom na Dormaahene no shewachi mo ko flaster house no shewachi no makopamo na so your Sampa man hene e di Shebi o ya kaka benchen your man hene and na videos muntaka e chiao Ira Muhammad Chia, Obia Chia, so Sampa Mahine dia. Yeah, you have a court. Court is bigger than President Mahama. The court is bigger than me, and the court is bigger than anybody in this country. And we expect the court to do what is right. And so once the court do what is right, some will be able to let Sammorduah fly and show fan into. Near Brani Bekanana, Shebi. Yeah, can to let Sammorduah fly show to me. So I to let Sammorduah fly, catch your fan into one. As if say, no, Empire Bonnie share.
He sprang to the
yeah, very well. Sanity, Brani Bekasa. And I said, Brani Kasa. So you're a prison officer. We are a prison officer. Not Shebi, you're a security for friends and a prisoners for so. That's your role. To expect the judge to do what is right. To want the judge do what is right, the guy will be cited for contempt. Then they see or Tachima. He will go. What I can't say, I can't brush him. Seen a bear because a mabuna more crewman man, not Ghana phone. After Emrani crewman, but we also come racing anymore. Attend the day, Casa and Chicasa time. And another Mahine, Malaysia or Mokoba. And that's it.
No, a small battle some time back.
And those speeches were they not evil? Were they respectful? I mean to be what I mean to be new apart. I said, you know, Semenu drink Kana, Casade, and Chichimu, but you don't come here attacking and insulting. We expect the court to do what is right. But the Empire Bonnet, yeah, said to let someone Empire Bonnet say the basic, yeah, now court need to too much. Na Ghana mabunya Sampa mabunya husha ampa emra okuwanum but emma mu fi say NDC wa buy and MPP wa buy munti if you belong to that political class you can misbehave, you cannot misbehave. We believe that at the end of the day the court will set the record straight and the guy will go in there. He's going to go in there and let nobody deceive himself whether the regional minister or whether the government of the day can do anything. Nobody can do anything about it. The law is the law. And so when they come back again, and that's why I'm expecting the CJ to act. The Chief Justice, one country Chief Justice said, "On free America, no more Ghana. Now say be in 7 dia tuna nimno. Ome moye. Obema moye. Na fi ajansa moye no so. Na atu na mutu. He should not allow the political elite to manipulate him. I'm saying so respect and I say so graciously. Thank you very much, my brother. Nyamenka on.
Busia, ti Sampa this year busia no e bi no makasa. Ya o ma church nsem ni ade akyere na. E mo ya because in some way ya kan one seven best in fear me nsani. Nimu afra ban na te akunya so ekoye e ma ban aba ya bonwa aka ho nsem ni ade anso besi na e da so ate be ete ya yehu be so ade bottom e front yes strength for mumre mo ate na pepepe ye bra mumre na mo nkasa e mas media na sense ni pa hu Sampa no bibia ne wa betimi di o ma bankwam enti na wo say ye say o kan bible because the more di kono muni nko ne mom dia kan de ye nhwe ne ye mo ban enam say omo ayenyawo dia Sampa yentimi fo mo mankwam biutu ye hwe ne yensia no kwan ste be ya enipa ya aka ensan gu bium na de yesie na beka ti ne yesre ye man mu mpanyfo say as a matter of urgency wo mo sorry na emra ne adwuma na bibia anya boko esan say o kan chieftaincy act na ohene ne de won fa mamra ne amane kwan so nyina na yedna si akunya so between Sammorduah and Jafla. Yes, Sampa aye kotoko. Sampa is something on there. Sebi na Jafla eswa dia chi. Akunya be dam pan. Ebusuya nyina ba be pray. Na de man ye yan say if Sammorduah wa ma kotoko fie kura dia different no. Nyina na ma be pray ma be ka won sema chi ewura. Na ewura ma pa komti. Ama odi amamre ne amane ato wa ye hwehwe. Eno ye hwehwe mu nyina ba be so ya se da bi. Sammorduah o ma me ne ye ma me mansa rose. Na na no hwehwe mu che se ma me mansa rose. Onye disi ontimi ni akunya na also maame ne mansa rose die maame mansa rose nye dehia ebede na Sammorduah timi ya dehia no die akunya oh issue no it's as simple as ABC but ebinom politics bi omo dia bata ho ne adenti ena nipa wu Sampa ena ha me no wo de yemfa tumi a obi apento nche but nipa ye nyame dia no sese bibia no ebesi a betimi asado ma bankwam bi but ye ma mu mpanyfo a hyase fra ba ye twam so ena mo ye dinti na ho sa ena ne ya ban foforo so aba omo so abehye mu kena ana omo so ye di ti won sa ana ade achi sa ne yekum nipa wa Sampa ade achi sa nipa nyame dia wa Sampa na no ya na Sampa Jafla ne twene bofo de kan twene ma no ye kunu ya panyi ba ko alaji ba ko e wa Sampa na no owo Berekum ne friends o na police station metwa no asa obetwa no asa wi ko allegedly o teka mu nipa bi ko unifikam ekoku no to bi ya we nyina akoso mpanyifo so omonte but yeah what district Sampa Jama North district yeah what district that's the district security council or why you deal and no kodan chenya Sampa what the regional minister regional security council according to obusia form chese be sine obi ameka bibia ntrom wudi akoso nipa yekom mu nachi senka ye tie empata wi sa asem kra kosi wo ba bia se wudi bia na bibisa aban mu mpanyifo kono ko chire busia for re nipa yekom mo Sampa na it is alleged said the regional minister enko honom enko chichiri obi are the regional minister enko ken kra chese bia kra chire obi so ebia munya abote ye be se ma ne be adwuma e be se ye si bi nsi bi na etumtwa na bibia anya asuje obi ayi nani but apienya posifo ne asojafo mo ko bubra na Sampa Jafla hefi e ko chichi nkwada ne mpanifo ebro wo mo chese eye ne ma bebre tina me kan ma sregira crop ya sa de ko to ya am say ana we de e be se mon ka bibi nchi aban na de e ko so na ni enyan madaroma mon ka bibi nchi aban no na de e ko so na ha adwen se mama atina himfi na Jafla atina himfi na ahimfo ho ne adehye ho yakoye obu na bo machi ma chese it's as though na se mokoko asem ko ya arresta yigi na ye hu videos bi mokoko ya Asantehene ashen so franka ye wo na Jafla ene ye wura kotoko ne pictures mo bubo ni na and report ya kwa se mo se omo na SS on best Asantehene mo kire wo onti we nyina akoso ye wura no ye se mo so le na mo nkabi nchi aban no because ent me down first cry na me say aban nyawe but ye there da bia timi dia esu ye kan wasem enti ye there ye wura mampen obeti ti wura mampen atia dia na wo ye dia fa Sampa nsensem ho because yet ya and you man pay ni say yes bokun sensem o iso yan na eten wasem ye ra kotoko ni na daroma o pa committee na nanom ye ra sabi aban na de ma ye kotoko ni to ne bo ase e dia mamani amane ni abokosem to ho ehwe ensem ni na awie ye na ohwe ensem ni na awie be to dwa se kusa se fo na ya ade se o mu akunya wo eye boko ye ra Asantehene reports come a Ghana man pay ni the law is the law enti se ye ra Asantehene kasa dia o hwe na bibia ya so de boko kra de sebio enye Asantehene na dia o ne mom aban ene se yira se onfa na koma pa na bote ne nim die nto na bibia anya asomhwe but yira kasa e wo boko no mutu na Contempt pa ama embassy na kusa man proceed for him po ese oda so abo de court ni ade enti if indeed se yira o kasa ye efa boko nsensem na motu wana mo ama most the law is the law Sampa so hena kasa for but 3 years ni ye nte ho hwe nipa ye guso kum nipa o Sampa ye go so say niam wa Sampa amanfo nyuma ye basa wa Sampa but that's what ya obi anka hwe obi amo ho wa ti sam ye ba chire man ya na ye ramampani what is good for the goose is also good for the gander anti papa wada Roma se boko de ma mani ye adwuma na nempo man pusi fo ye da so jini za kotwa Sampa kwa de Asantehene na ne dia ye kan nkunya nsasem but ye din ho because the Abasa now will be a somewhat to be because any na political undertone be well treating a marble conscience of a course. So Sansuna, it be a Sampa, yeah, and your my say I anticipate, so be a political undertone mutation. But you know because as more, every another quack because time without number, yes, but that's what ya. You come in power Sampa, but will be a dean, Sabias will be a granted. Until my moi, na asumjemra, na asumjeba, a bama yina. Papa ba baba ina na bibia timi tumpo na bibia asumi ti wuti se sampa de shene kasa na ne abre na otiati mu kasa eti bibia me shede mu na efo sa ensem mu ohia ensem na ha adwe ti akoma and then na be hia se empanyfo bem because yasin so we tap nche ne oje ho enough is enough dia ai akwakodu na ye empem ho a ye mu amasu jima na bibia enso anyasumi ti abusia me da so jebre na hwe me ye mo mpa ise empanyfo be soro no mo ma na ye adwuma na bibia enso ayasumi ne mo kai se aye ton fie o atwuma ya be aye 4 bedroom house ne ton e wa atwuma be so hwe me woni juma me so Contempt to make e ko atwuma ya be ne ko fie ne be ankoye emfama bibia bi ofie on but if you for like on a 10 minutes drive afi me kanfo aye Better Grace Financial Services the amount Better Grace na say Ghana for more America like Canada more insurance company papa financial company papa na dem wa bata no a Better Grace Financial Services o na ye comfort ya ma mo se mani o mo to no mo ntimi sema o fa number no twego na mo mama da na kusi na to anse ne enkasa na mo nto na mo na bia enkoso ye asumdwe kwan so fo no na ade nyina enye kama pepe se de bra no esiti afri bi so na me se comfort bia mo na me comfort eye we charge you to go back the amount say and that Ghana high ways up so we chu car we see kasem of mama na how we charge akabi ademo bia on beji mama car se fatal na otibi dia bobra e bia once wo car we swatch up so ton car na he e be bia how to recharge so the catch up so recharge because some talk car am see kasem of mama beji kakra ne kwa and so car ne kwa na on beji mama ton na on do scam e bia e kama on pay na e dia na e recharge all the mobiles e recharge automobiles omo e na ye can for e dia man on to na mama e bia nye ye man na dia nyani mo insi we said your body nyankopon ensem enhyehyeye esi etie and then finally said the edin komo no you know me into na obi trading so medical catch so kuma say South Interest Junction o pata papa the perfume papa the back up and one obi trading enterprise o kuma say South Interest Junction no into na mo na dey anymore na insi we here busu yam dey komo na so brepa me be share nyame nkan na maka bye bye.